today I'm gonna tell you how to protect sheets or workbook in Excel and how to unprotect them and what are the procedures and how to do it in a very simple way. Stick around, I'll show you how. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. So now you can see that this is a basic layout of Microsoft Excel and I have opened a blank sheet. So today I'm going to tell you how to protect the sheet. If I click on review and then click on protect sheet, it will protect the sheet. But let me first put some data in it so the concept is clear how to use and in how many ways you can use it. So I will just copy your data to save the time. I have already a sheet here. So I'll just simply select this whole sheet here, right click, copy, and then I'll open my blank book. And now if you simply right click and paste, see what happens. Or you can also use Ctrl V from the keyboard. So you see this name is not clearly, I have to adjust the columns here, and the other columns, attendance columns, are also very wide. So how to keep the formatting when you are copying, that I am also explaining. So I am doing Ctrl Z and now I'll paste it again. So I'll just click on home and click on paste here, and you can see here there are 4, 5, 7 options and obviously there are several versions of Excel. So you can see according to your version that this option should be there, keeps source column widths. So you should click on this, and now you see it's well formatted, all the column widths are same and I don't have to do any adjustment. So whenever you are copying, this is a one bonus trick which I have told you. Now if I go to review and click on protect sheet, and it will ask me for password, so I just give one letter for a password. You can write anything you want. Okay, now you see if I want to make any changes anywhere, it's not allowing me to do anything because I have protected this whole sheet. But it depends on your work. Sometimes you have a sheet you just want to show it to your friend or colleague, or maybe you have a business you want to show to your clients and you don't want them to make any changes. So for this purpose, that protect sheet is best. But if you want to allow, for example, as a teacher, I have my colleagues and I want to give them attendance sheets. So obviously they want to write something here which is not allowed right now. So what I need to do, I'll first unprotect it. Okay, now if I right click on anywhere and click on format cell and then click on protection, this is the 6th option. So if I click here protection, you see it's written locked. What does it mean? It means that by default in Excel, all cells, these are called a cell. This is one cell, this is another cell, and its address is written here, T9. You can see here, this is T, and from here it is 9. So it makes T9. So these are the different cells. In Excel, these individual cells have their own address and they are either locked or unlocked. So by default, all cells are locked. So what you need to do here, I want my teachers to write the name here and to mark the attendance here. So basically from here, and the serial number will obviously be same, so I don't want to allow this. So just select this portion where you want other people to enter the data and just right click here and then click on format cell. Now after clicking here, if by default it's coming number, just click here on protection and uncheck it. So now it's not locked, it's not hidden. So then you click on OK. Now what happened? These cells are unlocked. So now when you click on protect sheet now in review tab and then you give the password, now this whole document will be protected. They cannot make any changes, but only here they can write anything. For example, if I want to write something, if I want to change the name, so they can see, you can see that they can only make changes here. And in the same way, for example, if I want here, you can see it's written the month of August, and you want to allow them to change it to any other month, or want to allow any column. So same thing you need to do. Simply first you need to unprotect the sheet, and then you need to right click, go to format cell, and just uncheck it. So the more column you uncheck, for example they want to write here something also, so again right click, format cell, and locked as unchecked. Now I'll protect the sheet. So now you can see they can easily write their subject, teacher, subject, class, section, and they can do some changes here also. So in this way you can protect the sheet, you can unprotect the sheet. And there is one more option I want to quickly go through it. This is a protect workbook. Protect workbook is used when you want to protect the structure. Structure means that if I click here on this plus sign, then these workbooks will be added, and if I right click on it, then I can easily delete it also. So you can see I can easily delete these worksheet also. So if I don't want people to delete the sheets, so I can protect the workbook. So I click here and I give it a password and re-enter the password. Now if I right click here, you can see there is no option to delete it, and same way if I click on this plus, you can see it's not adding any sheet. So in the same way I can, if I don't want this option to enable, so just click again and give the password, and it will be unprotected. Now you can easily delete the sheet or add any sheet. So this is how you use this option, but mostly we use the protect sheet. That is more useful option which we use often. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please give it a like, subscribe my channel, like and share my channel, and make sure to press the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. And don't forget to check my Excel playlist on my channel. It has more useful videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.